So we've left Reevesby Island this morning. We were heading into Lincoln to catch up with somebody that we met, but they went into the marina, so we couldn't get in there. So we've kept on heading down, and we're just tucking up now by Thistle Island. Very pretty, big cliffs, a few shacks up the end, but we're hoping to tuck in here and just have a quick fish before we head off tomorrow. And we aim to cross the Gulf, and we'll tuck in over the other side at Pondy or at West Cape. So we just had a dolphin leap out the water here and scare the crap out of Joe. Here he is up the front, he's having a free ride. Oh, there's a couple here. Oh, they're here. Woohoo, he's having a good play, this one. Playful. I need another fish. I lost that tuna. This morning we've left from Thistle Island and we've skirted through Wedge Island, which was spectacular. We've got to come back through there on another trip. And we're just cutting into West Cape on the tip of Yorke Peninsula, where I'm trying to convince the two boys off of Alicat and Layla to get in and have a dive with me, but they're a little bit nervous after the shark dive in Lincoln. But I'm getting motivated. There's lots of cray pots we're going past, and I've dived here all my life and I've never seen one, so I think they're being a little bit timid. But we'll get them in. And here's West Cape coming into the horizon. And just to the left of that is Pondalawi Bay. Still no damn fish. Lost my tuna this morning. Spool was a bit knotted. Good now, but no fish. Okay, we're off for a dive this afternoon. Pulled in here at West Cape, and we're going to go dive some of the limestone ledges that are just out here. So hopefully we can get a few cray.
Yeah, I know.
Ours was doing that, but then I went out the back and then ding, ding, just went non-stop.
So, yeah.
Right there, that's what we want. That ledge there.
Well,
You see the colour changing here? Only 4.7, that's a nice couple metre ledge, that's all we want.
is that what you want?
Oh, cool, yeah.
He just wants to be in and out.
You bullshit, then you'll see cray, you'll get all excited. 5.6, yeah, there's a nice ledge there. That's the ledge. There it goes, 4944, there's the ledge right there. Righto, chuck it there. Alright, I'm gonna get this on, Jesus. This has got pain written all over it. Doesn't it look inviting?
Fuck no. What did I say?
Your last...
Fuck no, it's not looking inviting.
Your last dive... Look at this big swell!
Ooh, Jesus. Yeah, that was a good
Your
one.
last dive was with the great whites.
Sure,
Next dive with the...
don't say anything to
You're
him.
doing a solo dive in a minute, pal.
He goes to me, as soon as if I see a seal, I'm out. And I went, aren't you two seals?
I've dived with seals here too. What's the matter with diving here?
Yeah, big things with big teeth.
I've dived here my entire
He
life.
thought he was going right along the rocks and he could back himself
That's
up.
exactly what I
25 years I've dived here. I'm still here.
I
These are
can
my
see
thought.
shark
But
footage.
you need to put in with this one photos, the video of the sharks that we saw.
Yes. And so people can comment, are they stupid?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. We get a lot of that.
You want a map and say how far away it is? Is that what you're wanting me to show in the video?
Yeah, but this is their territory.
We could go back and get it. Leave them here.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
We can swim to shore. You really don't want to get a cray?
He wants a cray. He just don't want to get it.
Oh, you won't see him otherwise.
I don't even want the crays, and I've got to sit in a boat.
Got the bag.
He's video man. Bag and video man.
Bag and video
You
man.
give me the bait. Oh, I don't want that responsibility then.
Where do you want it? You want me to take everything?
Yeah,
You're
I'll
a
take the camera.
freaking sook, you are. That's it, I'll be doing them all myself. I'm going. If I got the bag, you're redundant.
Then I can stay on the boat.
Where's the torch, Joe?
And have chicken tonight.
Are you ready?
Do you want this?
Yes, he does.
Pete, what do you
Want, Pete?
you want to say, love?
You want to go back to your bowl?
Yeah.
All right, Chris
I'm
is
happy,
in,
with
so...
I'm happy with chicken tonight.
Hey, we are having chicken. Oh,
Just
get in.
Oh, peace.
That's a big swell.
Oh, that doesn't look full at all. Right. Well. Shit.
It's nothing. Too surgy.
I was going to say, it looked
We
like...
found two, but they knew what divers were. They disappeared immediately.
Yeah.
As soon as they saw us, they were at the back.
We've left Edithburgh this morning at 6 o'clock, sailed across the St Vincent's Gulf into Adelaide. Had a beautiful sail, had 15 to 18 knots of wind, and we've been flying along at 7.5 to 8 knots, so we've made really good time. We're originally from Adelaide. We moved aboard 3 years, 2 months ago, so we're heading home, well, what used to be home. So a lot of family and friends to catch up with.
It's not the nicest days to come into Adelaide. A bit cloudy, cold and miserable. So
It was blue skies a while ago, but they're clouding up.
and especially for summer, it's not really, not put a show on for us.
So yeah, we're almost there. An hour to go and we'll be dropping sail and motoring in. So we've made it across. We're 3/4 way around, but we're having a bit of a break. 2.5 miles to go and Adelaide's turned it on. Clouds all burnt off, blue skies. Beautiful to be coming in now. All we need is a pot of dolphins to join us and we'll have the full entrance. The only thing I just like about Adelaide is the main marinas up here. Yet the town, or city I should say, is mainly down that way. There should be a big marina down at Glenelg. And it's only a simple tram ride up to the city. Well, we're getting the grand entrance. We've got the Young Endeavour. And just over here, we have the one and all. Well, she's silted up in here a little. This poor guy's pontoon doesn't do a lot. This guy likes his crabbing. He's got his crab net straight off his balcony. That was lovely. We met Alex on his leopard there when he sailed over on the Lincoln race on the trimaran. That was going very well, hammering along. Fortunately, they had a problem and didn't get to win the race and beat the big monos, which would have been delightful for us as a cat owner. So we're in 35 degrees south. We're about to head up the office and go see Scott. Been very helpful so far getting us here. But poor No Regret, she's a bit dirty. She's definitely needing a wash.
We're in.
We've got our passes.
Got our goodies.
Very nice marina.
And a picnic blanket.
Picnic blanket and a new hat. Oh, I nearly didn't have a hat. Today's job is to fix the leak in the water maker. The wire joiner that joins the two membranes together had a fault that I replaced a couple of years ago now, and even the replacement part's got a fault in it. So what's happening here is this wire joiner is leaking through this screw hole, which it shouldn't be doing. So Brain Man have want to contact them to fix up another issue that I had a while ago. Sent through spare parts. They've sent me these new parts here, new stainless steel fittings, so these will be perfect. Never ever leak again, and very good support, very happy with their product support line. So our water maker I've installed into the port engine bay here at the back. And so here's our little motor, the pressurised unit, and our water selection at the top. Done a previous video on how we installed it. And our membranes are mounted on the side wall down the side here. So I've just loosened that and popped it back a little bit. And here's the very end. And I've got to get in there and undo the two product lines. So they're the two product feeds that come out of the membranes. So that's a good water joiner just to put them together. So it feeds down through here. And this is the diversion tap that goes over to the bathroom sink, which I can get the test water out of and turn off when I want it, and turn that one on, and that feeds it up to the primary tank of the boat, which feeds right through under. So this is the fitting. I'm not sure if it was leaking out of this joint, but I thought I could see water coming out of what is the screw hole that you can mount this with, so from either side here. But it was definitely leaking, so I'm not sure. The other one had a hole in the corner. So anyway, beautiful, nice new stainless steel fitting now, so perfect, no more problems. We've got the water maker running. I'll just spin into the back room, and hopefully you can hear me over the engine noise. So it's a bit noisy with everything running. So our problem of this little wire fitting that was leaking, get that out of the way a bit, that wire fitting there, looks like she's all fixed, all dry, and all dry down to the bottom down here, where I was getting a little bit of water pooling on top of the structural beam there. So looks good. Just had to slide that all back. So I just had a rope around that to support it, and just slid it back a little bit into the compartment at the back. And yeah, it wasn't too bad actually. A lot less painful than I thought it was going to be. But like always, tools are never where, they're easy accessed. Parts are under the floor, tools are under different toolboxes. What would normally be a 5-minute job in the house is a hour-long ordeal in a boat. But now to put it all back, and the pipe came out the other side hole, so they've made a mess everywhere. Got to clean it up before Joe goes crazy.
I've got something between my legs, Karen, you want to grab that?
What do you mean you've got something between your
A little
legs?
thing.
This is quite long.
What are we talking about?
You can't reach it. It's
All
too
right.
small.
Karen, what's going on here? Can you put my fins on for me? I'm having trouble reaching.
The face. The cheeks are all puffed out because it's squished.
I'm sure the wetsuit's shrunk. I can't get my foot in that one.
I think it's all the bloody muffins, mate.
Ah, shit!
What, even your feet have got bigger?
Come here!